Hey guys, Samsung has surprisingly announced a mid-range phone with a punch hole display. This is Samsung Galaxy M40 will be the fourth device in the M series after Galaxy M10, Galaxy M20 and Galaxy M30. Samsung will be launching this Galaxy M40 in India on June 11 and this phone is reportedly priced at 20,000 in Indian rupees. The specification of this phone are quite interesting and this will be also an flagship killer. The specification of this phone are this phone will sport a 6.4 inch of Super AMOLED Infinity U display with Full HD Plus resolution. Galaxy M40 is expected to be powered by Snapdragon 675 instead of Samsung Exynos processor. We are expecting that it may come with the Samsung Exynos 7 octa-core processor or it may be powered by the Snapdragon 675 chipset. Coupled with 4GB of RAM and 6GB variant will also be available with the internal storage of 64GB and 128GB. The camera is very impressive in this phone. There is a triple rear camera of 16MP plus 8MP plus 5MP and there is an huge 25MP of selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. There are also speculations that this phone may sport a 32MP front camera also. So 25MP or 32MP, we have to wait and watch. This phone will have a large 5000 mAh of battery with fast charging support. This phone has got an 10-watt charger which charges the phone very fastly. The pricing details of the phone, Samsung has kept the aggressive price of rupees 20,000 Indian rupees, which will be around $320 in the international market. So these are all the details of Samsung Galaxy M40. So we have to wait till June 11 and see what the Samsung Galaxy M40 packed with. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and please do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.